cameras on display.
It's not long to go now. I can see some nerves rattling around, but you will be okay. You're going to absolutely smash it. And we can't wait to see you cross that finish line today.
Once again, good morning to each and every one of you, and good luck today for the London Marathon on behalf of the mighty here at Greenwich. Yes, we got our only pub in Greenwich with live music this morning just to support you on your journey. And if you're looking at us thinking, can I get a beer? Of course you can. It's 12 o'clock somewhere in the world. Plus tequila makes you run faster, so.
The balance is now open for the 2026 TCS London Marathon. It's open until Friday, so you will take part in